Creating custom dashboards for your clients in Vendasta can significantly enhance their experience and streamline your business's reporting. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to set up personalized dashboards in Vendasta, making your clients feel like they have their own unique control center. Stick around till the end, and I'll reveal how you can get access to this software completely free with exclusive bonuses. Now, let's dive straight in. The first thing you'll need to do is log into your Vendasta dashboard. Once you're in, you'll notice the Client Dashboard option in your sidebar. This is where the magic happens. Next, you'll want to click on the Create New Dashboard button. This allows you to start from scratch or use one of the pre-made templates. If you're looking to save time, the templates are a great starting point, but we'll be going over how to make your own custom dashboard. The third thing you need to do is add the widgets. These are the building blocks of your dashboard and can include things like analytics reports, lead generation stats, social media performance, or whatever data is most important to your clients. You can pick and choose the widgets you want and drag them around to fit your layout. Once you've added your widgets, it's time to customize them. You can adjust the data sources for each widget so they reflect the specific metrics that matter to your client. For example, if you're creating a dashboard for a client who focuses heavily on social media, you might want to include Facebook and Instagram performance widgets. The fifth thing to keep in mind is organizing the widgets to make the dashboard intuitive and easy to read. Vendasta lets you adjust the size of each widget, so you can prioritize the most important data. This way, your client gets a clear snapshot of the metrics that matter most to their business. Next, consider personalizing the look and feel of the dashboard. Vendasta lets you upload your client's logo and adjust color schemes to match their brand. This customization goes a long way in making your clients feel like the dashboard is specifically tailored for them. The seventh thing is setting up automated reporting. You can schedule reports to be sent to your clients at regular intervals. This feature is great for keeping clients in the loop without you having to manually send updates. Plus, it ensures that the data is always fresh and up to date. Finally, before you hand over the dashboard, make sure to test everything. Ensure that all data is correct and that the layout looks clean on both desktop and mobile views. Vendasta's dashboards are responsive, so your clients will be able to access them from anywhere. That's it. You now know how to create custom dashboards for your clients in Vendasta. These dashboards will provide them with the most important insights, customized for their business needs. Remember, you can try Vendasta for free through the first link in the description below and unlock some exclusive bonuses. Don't miss out on the extended free trial and start creating powerful, custom dashboards for your clients today.